Good morning, friends. Hey, back with another neck pillow for travel. Seems like I've become the go-to person for neck pillows all of a sudden. This is one of two that I've gotten in the last week to review. So let's get into this and see what it's like. Hi, I'm Arnie, and here we talk travel. We talk travel accessories, and we talk camera gear. If you're into any of that, why not consider subscribing? Just click that big red subscribe button down below. Don't forget, click the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we put up new content. All right, so this is from a company called Doccii. I think that's how it's pronounced. And it says, sleep well anytime, anywhere. Superior neck pillow design for ultimate comfort, machine washable, that's always a good thing, and easy to clean. Lasts forever, the most resilient and durable neck pillow. A thoughtful gift that lights up someone's life. Just keep that in mind because Christmas is coming up. So in the box you get one eye mask, you get a pair of earplugs, you get a carry bag, and you get, thankfully, the neck pillow. Let's dive in here. So obviously I'm not diving in, I'm opening the box. It's a silly saying. Okay. Well taped together. Okay, nice black bag. Stored in, Doccii neck pillow. We'll take it out here. First thing is the eye mask. Second thing, the earplugs. And last but not least, the thing that we're most interested in. Whoa, that's stuffed in there. Is the neck pillow itself. Now if you're like me, sleeping on a plane is a real tough chore. Now this feels really nice. It's got a kind of a, what feels to be kind of a cottonish thing. I'm sure it's probably a blend cover on it. And there is a zipper here that you can take the innards out, which is a good thing. Some don't do that. Okay, really, this memory foam feels really good. Now it's got some kind of a pad here. I don't know exactly what, oh, it's to cover the Velcro. I see. So we take that off. Wow, it got an interesting waviness to it. Let's try this. You can really cinch that puppy up. Wow, that's great. Obviously, I'm using my office chair. It's not the exact same thing as a airline seat, but I've got it locked upright, and it gives a pretty good approximation of what it's like. Unfortunately, they didn't get in touch with me before we took our last trip. We just got back, and so it's going to be a little while before we take another one, but this feels really good. I love it. You can see my head stays pretty secure to the front, particularly the front. That's where I have most trouble. My head just tends to boom. Boy, that's great. And then obviously if you had the seat on the airplane tilted back just a little bit, it would give even more. This is a very comfortable. I love this. It's got a good feel to it. I'm going to try it the other way just to see what that's like. You can see there's a little bit of a dip here. I had it with this part, which is kind of a rise. I had that on the up. I'm going to try it like that and see because that might let my head come back even more. So tighten that down. Gosh, that's even better. This is very comfortable. I have to admit, this is one of the most comfortable that I've tried in quite some time. And I've tried a lot. You can see some of my other reviews by looking up somewhere around here. I don't know. You know, this is really nice. I'll leave a link to it down below so you can check it out yourself. It's available on Amazon. Boy, that feels good. I think this is a keeper, you guys. Yep, it feels good. I like the fact that you can take the cover off. This memory foam is about the most comfortable. Oh, and I see here where it says Doccii printed like this. So apparently I had it upside down the first time. But, you know, there's no real right or wrong, is there? Whatever makes you feel the best. I have worn some of them. When I used this last trip, I kind of wore it like this, kind of twisted it around so that it was higher on like this side, and you can see that you could use that. It would fit over your shoulder, and it gives you neck. I think this would even be better. I guess we better plan a trip so I can actually use it on the plane. Well done, Doccii. That feels really nice. There you have it. Short, quick, to the point review of the Doccii neck pillow. Now, one thing I am a little bit concerned about, now that I pulled that apart, is I don't know about the stitching on this. It seems like it might be a little bit fragile. Only time will tell. All right, there you have it. The Doccii neck pillow. Hey, if you like this kind of content, don't forget, subscribe. Just click the big subscribe button. You know the drill. Leave us a comment. Have you tried this one? Are you going to try it? How about, we're always open to trying new ones. There's got to be the perfect one out there, hopefully. Give us a thumbs up. Share with your friends. We'll see you next time. Thanks for stopping by. We do appreciate it.